and this is Jason Mitchell, a very trusted lawyer, if there is such a thing. But I will say this, Bailey Mitchell and Company, #1 in business, real estate. Anything you're doing, contact them. No. Out.
20 years now, I'm on a phone. I buy two banger phone when Cartel got jail, and then every time Cartel call me, police call me back.
Mr. Allen, I saw you posted a video on your Instagram asking for some help.
Yes, my people, welcome back again. Yeah, man. Big up to all the fans, them, all the subscribers, them. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. And today we're on Vybz Kartel. Yes, Vybz Kartel, we have a brand new mansion. Yeah, man. 168 million, them say. Yes, my people. And Beenie Man, touch him case too. Beenie Man said, no buy no phone. We over 20 years. Last time I buy a phone at 2 banger. Called Vybz Kartel and police and stop calling back panic. I know I'm happy. Yeah, man. The next thing, a farmer come out and ask for help on TikTok. I did see it. You know, say him get help. Yeah, man. I beg Vybz Kartel fertilize and spray pan. No shame in our game. And get more on that. So big up yourself to all who see and help him out. Yeah, man. Big up to Vybz Kartel, same way. Big up to the farmer where we reach out, we push out, and not afraid, no shame in our game. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. So, we're taking Vybz Kartel mansion. Yep. So, big up on yourself, my peeps. One love all the time. Yardman TV. Boom.
Mess up to the time, man. Big up Bailey Mitchell and Company, and this is Jason Mitchell, a very trusted lawyer, if there is such a thing. But I will say this, Bailey Mitchell and Company, #1 in business, real estate. Anything you're doing, contact them. No. Out.
I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down.
Yes, my peeps. Look to Vybz Kartel all the time. Yeah, man. You know a thing go. Come out and make a thing happen. You know, business when you want to get the money, but I do everything and I shine and I try to put myself in a place, you know. I don't know people and I love Vybz Kartel all the time. Yes. I love him bad. Yeah, man. So, like the mission, like your house, look good. So just hope him can live there and live comfortable. Yeah, man, no problem, you know. Man, him wifey, see them, yeah, man. So big up yourself all the time. Yeah, man. Beenie Man. We are gonna make people them say what you say. Yeah. 10 years, 20 years, no phone. I go come out and explain something. Yeah, and that make people them can believe you. Or make them know if I lie or tell. Yes? Or you on the liquor. I don't know. Make people them say I drink beer liquor. You're drunk every day. I don't know. So, you hear what you have to say. Make people them be the judge. Yes? So, big up to all the people them. All the time.
Yeah, 20 years. Yeah. Yes. Alright. 20 years now, I'm on a phone. I buy two banger phone when Cartel got jail, and then every time Cartel call me, police call me back. Some of us nobody have no phone.
Real. Listen, 20 years, my friend. Nah, no phone.
Nah, no phone. Some of us nobody have no phone. Because every time, no, seriously, Kartel called me 2 times. He called me about something I'm have to deal with. And I said, alright, I'm going to deal with it. And then the police come back.
Who should have the Vybz Kartel fan?
And then, stop, no, me attack. And then I'm coming back again. And then I say, yo, the thing I reach, and I say, it couldn't reach because police them coming back. And then the police them coming back. At the same time.
You have a phone now?
No, don't have a phone. And yeah.
That's impossible for the kid.
Yes, my people. The man kinda look little tipsy, yes. But I couldn't be a judge. They tell me what I say about him. Because I don't know. Say a great doctor, we can't put him down. Just like how we can't put down Vybz Kartel, we can't put down Bounty. Yeah man, them a hold up a thing. Yeah man, big up yourself, my people. All the time. Yeah man. So, with the panic farmer.
Mr. Allen, I saw you posted a video on your Instagram asking for some help for a bag of fertilizer and a spray can. So I reached out to you, rendering assistance from We Record Company team. It is my pleasure, along with We Record Company, to render assistance and give to you not only 1 bag, 2 bags of fertilizer along with a pair of boots and $22,600 for the spray can. Okay? So we from the We Record production team, we are glad to assist you in whatever you wanted to do, and we wish you all the best in your farming and we hope you reach success. Alright?
I have to give thanks to We Record Company because as you see, I asked her 1 bag of fertilizer and I get 2. And I never asked her a water boost and I get it. I have to give thanks and appreciation for it. I have to pick up the management, Rico, Sean, and Jaim, Sanya. I thank you guys so much. I don't know what I would do. Really and truly appreciate it to the fullest. Words can't explain how I really feel about this.
That work is essential, the grind is all in your mental. And I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life.
I'm really grateful for this offer. Get to you, just believe in yourself and stay out of trouble. Anything you want, you just have faith. As long as you know stay positive. Big up We Record production every time.
And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons.
Yes, my people. Thank you for watching. Yeah man. And subscribe and like to see more interesting video we can put out for you. So thank you very much. Yeah man, thank you for everything. Big up myself. Yardman TV. Boom.